Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. News on yet another accident involving a MiG 21 fighter has come, and this is seriously something which should be looked upon by the Indian Air Force and Indian government. I'm not sure why they need to retain such an old fighter still in the fleet when we have multiple options to replace them. Just to give a quick overview of the accident which happened today, which is May 21, 2021 early morning. An Indian Air Force pilot was killed in a MiG-21 Bison fighter crash at Langiana village of Punjab's Moga district in early hours of Friday, May 21, 2021. The pilot who got killed has been identified as Indian Air Force MCC squadron leader Abhinav Chowdhury. It is said that the fighter was on night training when the accident happened. The sad part is that even though the pilot ejected from the fighter, it is said that his parachute did not open properly. Even though MiG-21 is among the most produced supersonic jet aircraft in aviation history, I believe it's time for the Indian Air Force to retire them at the earliest. Approximately 60 countries over 4 continents have flown the MiG-21, and it still serves many nations 6 decades after its maiden flight. Quick definition about the fighter jet. The Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-21 is a supersonic jet fighter and an interceptor aircraft designed by the Mikoyan-Gurevich Design Bureau in Soviet Union. The MiG-21 was the first successful Soviet aircraft combining fighter and interceptor characteristics in a single aircraft. Since 2006, over 100 MiG-21 of Indian Air Force have been upgraded to MiG-21 Bison. So what does the upgraded Bison variant of MiG-21 have? According to the sources, the upgraded MiG-21 Bison includes upgraded electronics, better avionics and communication systems. Not only that, it has the Kopio lightweight multi-mode radar, a helmet-mounted display and a better windshield among others. The MiG-21 Bison was made capable of carrying modern weapon system and missiles, and in terms of electronics, it could have been compared to Mirage 2000 fighter jet. Even after all the enhancements or improvements made, the engine performance and the load carrying capability was not improved as part of the upgrade. If we quickly see the general characteristics of MiG-21, these fighters have a length of 14.7 meters, height of 4.1 meter and a wingspan of 7.154 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of this fighter is between 8,800 to 10,000 kg. Maximum speed is 2,237 km per hour and it has a range of 660 to 800 kilometers. The bad part about this fighter is the safety. Since 1970, more than 170 Indian pilots and 40 civilians have been killed in MiG-21 accidents. At least 14 MiG-21s have crashed between 2010 to 2013. Over half of 840 aircrafts built between 1966 and 1984 were lost to crashes, and again one more crash today, which is May 21st. In view of the several incidents that have occurred, this modernized MiG-21 Bison seems to have at present the role of an interceptor and a limited role to play as a fighter jet in Indian Air Force fleet. Even though it has been upgraded and has played many important roles in Indian Air Force fleet, the Indian Air Force should phase out the MiG-21 Bison, and I think they already have a plan to do by 2022. So let us hope this is taken into serious consideration and let's retire these fighters before it takes the lives of more pilots. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.